All right, guys. So thank you for coming around and having a stop right there to check what I have for you today. So if you are new to my channel, my name is John Anavilore. So I'm a product creator and an affiliate marketer. I launch products. I create digital products like ebook, like um, software. So I launch all these things. I sell it. And that's how I make money online. And I also promote people's product. I promote other people's product while I earn, commissions. For instance, if someone has a product about selling the product for, let's say, $100, I can get paid about $50 if if I'm able to generate at least one sale, which is about which will be $50. So I could earn as much as 50% commission or sometimes 100% commission. So that's what I do online. I create products. I sell product online as a vendor, and I also help other vendors to promote their products as an affiliate marketer. And that's what I want to share with you today, how I was able to actually turned $6 to over $2,000 as a lazy Nigerian youth. So anyone can actually do this if you follow my step-by-step procedures. Now, this is not going to be a complete training. There's a link to actually watch a full training, a free video training on this. But here I'm going to show you exactly what I did to turn, $6, just $6, which is less than then it was about, I think, 1,800 naira, which is about times 300 naira to $1 then. So I spent about 1,800 naira, and but now $1 I think is about 400 naira now. So let's say I spent about now to be around 2,400 naira. So that's still extremely cheap, and I went on to make over $2,000. Yes, this is not high. This is nothing. I'm going to show you everything right on this video. So I'm going to go straight in. I'm not going to waste much of your time. So I'm going to go straight. So if you actually have any questions for me later on, you can ask under this comment section in this video. Ask in the comment section, comments, or you can actually contact me right on Facebook. The name is John Anavilore. You can contact me on Facebook. Yeah, send me a friend request, or I'm going to connect with you, and then we can also be friends on Facebook. That would be the easiest way to actually, get response to your question and anything you have for me. So let me now go in and show you exactly how I was able to do this. So now there is a platform that I actually went to, and the platform is warriorplus.com. Yes, warriorplus.com. This is the platform, warriorplus.com. So WarriorPlus is, I know some people might have known about this platform, while a very larger number of people don't know about this platform. So WarriorPlus is a platform that you can actually go to and sell digital products. Yes, you can sell product like ebook. You can write just like as you have your physical books, you can create your own book in electronic copy of it. Yes, that's called ebook, an electronic copy of it, and then you can sell. Or if you can make a video course on something that is working or something beneficial to people, you can create a video course on that and then sell on this platform. And while you are selling, if you find a good product that is very good for you, you want to pick up, whether you want to make money or increase your knowledge on something, you can pick up the product and then use it for your business or for your personal use. There are so many things you can do on this platform. The major thing is you can sell product here, you can buy products, you can promote other people's product and earn commission. So this is the platform, warriorplus.com. You can actually search, type the link on your browser and check out the website. So now I'm going to go in now into exactly how I was able to, do this transformation from $6 to over $2,000. So it's not actually something, it's not a secret, it's not something new. It might be new to you, but it's not something new to especially those who have been in my circle for long, or some of my subscribers, because I've been doing this video over and over again, because people are still asking me, how can they get started on WarriorPlus? How can they profit on WarriorPlus? So if you are watching this video, you're going to see one powerful strategy I'm going to share with you, and what you also can do, to get started on the platform. So this is what I actually did on WarriorPlus. There are a lot of vendors selling on WarriorPlus, and this is just one of them. Leon Tran, he has been selling on this platform for a very long time. So I actually went ahead and then picked one of his products. I want to check out. This is the profile. So I want to check out this product I purchased. I purchased one of his products, and then I rebranded it, and then I sold it. Yes. So Actually, you can buy products and then sell it as your own. That is called a PLR product, PLR, private label rights. So there are some products that you can buy, and then the vendor, the owner of the product, will give you the rights to, sell it as your own and keep 100% of the profit. So that's, you might pick up a product for a product with PLR rights, private label rights, and also including resale rights to it. So I'm still trying to look for the products actually purchased. Yes, I think I've seen it. So this is the product. You can see 70 done for you pro IM sales letters, copy and paste. So you can see, so this product actually came with PLR rights. You can see the person sold about 25 copies and at $5.95, you can see, and then he sold 25 copies of these products. So let's say generated about let's say 30 times 5 times 6, let's say $180. Okay, generated about, let's say, almost $200 on this product. So I bought this product as well for $5.95, and then I went on to Plus to sell it. So this is my account here on Plus. You can see John Anavi right here. You can see John Anavi. This is one of my account right here. So if I scroll down right here, I want to see, I've actually sold this product over and over and over again. So let me see if I can find a trace of it right here. So you can see when I initially sold this product here, John Anavi, you can see I changed the name to 70 done for you sales letters. So you can see I put the pricing at $17, and then I made 10 sales, over 10 sales. So you can see if you multiply 10 by 17, that's about $170. So you can see this is just the first one. I first actually listed it on this platform, Plus. Remember I said you can sell and you can buy and you can promote on Plus. So I sold this product on Plus. You can see generated over 10 sales, and then let me show you the other one where I made a whole lot of sales from this product. So I went again with my second account on Plus. Yes, my second account on Plus, actually my business account, online monthly income. So you can see my name under John Anavi. So you can see. So if I scroll down, and I'm going to scroll down, it's still loading. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see. So this is the name again. I changed the name. You can see the cover. It's still the same book cover design. So you can see PLR as this. I'm also giving out the rights, private label rights. I'm also giving out the rights to anyone who buys these products. They also can use it for their business, or they can also resell the product. So you can see PLR, 70 of my most performing sales letters, and sell as your own. So I was selling this, and they can also sell it when they pick it up. So you can see this is over 100 sales generated. Actually, this is about 140 sales, and if you multiply 100 by 17, that's already $1,700 generated from this product. And if you add it up to the first 10 sales I made right here, times 17 plus 170, let's say 200, that's close to 1,900. But actually I've done over $2,000 on this particular product, because I don't know if you know much about product launching. There's something they call funnel, and this when you're selling a product, you can add other products inside that same product. So if someone buys the first product, they can also go ahead and buy the next product. So in some of these offers as well, I actually included these same sales letters inside this product. So I got more purchase from this product, and you can see so it's something that anybody can do. I've just showed you now exactly what I did. I picked up a product from here from a past vendor who has sold this product on Plus for just $5.95 right here. Yeah, you can see I picked it up, I bought it here, $5.95, and then I went ahead and then I rebranded it and then sold it on this same Plus platform for $17, and I got about 10 sales, I think almost 20 sales. And then you can see here again over 150 sales. Actually, it's until when I get to 250 sales before this 100 sales can change. So I've gotten about 150 sales right now. That's why I can see 100 plus sales right here. So that's just exactly what I did. That's what I did. And I think okay, I've logged into my PayPal right here. So you can see as of today, you can see actually earnings made is currently $31.96 in my account right now. So you can see today 5:17 p.m. you can see 5:09 p.m. you can see the sales tripping in coming in from fuller marketing. You can see people are paying. And then yesterday, September 7th, 7/7, you can see September 6th, September 4, you can see. So that's exactly what I've been doing, making, and then making money on WordPress. So this is what I've been doing, and this is exactly how I turned $6 to over $2,000. So if you want a full training on this, there's a free video training on this. Just check on the description section under this video. Check under the description section, you see a link to watch the free video training to get in depth on how you can actually go and make money on WordPress. You can make from $500 to $1,000 every single month on this platform I've just shared with you. So go ahead, click on the link under this video. There's a link there to the free video training. It's going to bring you to the free video, the free training page. You can see. So it's going to bring you right here how you can make minimum of $500 to $1,000 every month on WordPress. Yes, so feel free to watch the videos. You can actually download them. So the first, you're going to get an introduction on how WordPress works. Yes, you're going to get it there. And then number 2 video, you're going to get how you can make money on WordPress. And then number 3 is, I think, withdrawal. Okay, the easiest way that you can go to make $500 per month on WordPress. It's very, very, very easy, super easy. And then video number is it 4 or 5 right now? Let's see. Okay, video number 4, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your withdrawal, how to withdraw your earnings on WordPress. Yes, from WordPress, whether as a vendor or as you promote the products. I'm going to show you. And then video number 5, yes, you now get a deeper view of how I went from $5.95 to $2,000. With what I've just shared with you, get a deeper view of it in this section. And if you have any question for me after then, there's a link to join my Facebook group where you can ask me any question on this and how you can actually get success on WordPress. So that's all for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you got value from this, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to please like this video, and the most important is actually subscribe to my channel. Yes, I bring out value, a lot of value, something that's going to get to my channel, and then so you don't miss out my next video. And also click on the notification bell. Yes, click on the notification bell. But just 3 things is important. Actually, 3 things important. Number 1 is make sure you comment in the section, ask me questions, and if you cannot ask right in the comment section, contact me on Facebook. I've shared my Facebook ID with you already, John Anaviolore, right here. And then number 3 is make sure you subscribe to this channel. So that's all for now, guys. If you are interested in WordPress, you want to make money already. A lot of guys are making cool money on WordPress. Some people make as much as $1,000 every single week on WordPress. That's over 300,000 naira. And some make as much as $10,000 every single week. Yes. In fact, if you sell just one product, you can make as much as I don't know, more than $5,000 on just one product. So, and what I've just showed you now is something that you actually believe that yes, it's possible. Imagine turning just $6 to $2,000. I know you wouldn't have believed this before watching this video, but now you've seen the proof and you've seen that yes, it actually works. So if you have any question for me, go ahead and ask in the comment section. Subscribe to the video, and please, you can share the video, you can do anything. And one more thing is, check on the link under this video. Yes, go and watch the free training. Yes, that's actually forgot that. Yes, come over to this page. It's going to bring you to this page to watch the free video training on how WordPress works. Yes, this on how you can make your own minimum of $500 to $1,000 every month on WordPress. I average at least, let's say, I think $800, yes, per month on WordPress, and you can do that as well. It's not hard. It's very simple. And it's very, very easy. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anaviolore. I'm so glad I could share some value with you. And I hope I'm going to see you watching my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, and bye-bye.